Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
While you can view vendor and customer lists in QuickBooks Online from the list pages, you can also create a quick report for a vendor or customer to view detailed data. To create a vendor quick report in QuickBooks Online, click the Expenses link in the navigation bar. Then click the vendor's link at the top of the page that opens to the right to view the vendor's page. Then click the name of the vendor for whom you would like to create a quick report to open their detail page and show the transactions. If needed, click the Transaction List tab on this page. To filter the list of transactions, click the Filter drop-down above the list to open a drop-down menu. Use the Type drop-down in this drop-down menu to choose which transactions to show in the quick report. Then use the Date drop-down in this drop-down menu to select for which dates to display the selected types of transactions. Then click the Apply button in the drop-down menu to apply the filter to the transaction list. Then click the Print List button in the upper right corner of the transaction list to open a printable version of this list as a quick report. Generally speaking, you can also follow these same steps to create a customer quick report from the customer's page. To create a customer quick report in QuickBooks Online, click the Sales link in the navigation bar. Then click the Customers link at the top of the page that opens to the right to view the Customers page. Then click the name of the customer for whom you would like to create a quick report to open their detail page and show their transactions. Then filter the transactions and print the list just like you did for the vendors. You can also create a customized transaction detail by account report to view specific transactions for a selected vendor or customer. To do this, click the Reports link in the navigation bar to open the Reports page to the right. Type Transaction Detail by Account in the Go to Report search bar. Then click that report name in the list that appears to customize it. The report opens with its default settings. Click the Customize button in the upper right corner of the report to open a Customize Report pane at the right side of the window. Set the date range for the report by using the Report Period drop-down in the General section. To show this data by vendor, select Vendor from the Group By drop-down list in the Rows and Columns section. You may need to click the arrow next to the Rows and Columns label to expand it to see your options. To filter the report to only show transactions for a selected vendor, click the Filter section if needed to expand it. Then check the Vendor checkbox, then select the name of the specific vendor from the adjacent drop-down menu. Then click the Run Report button in the lower right corner of this pane to create and display the vendor report. Generally speaking, you can follow the same steps to create a customer transaction detail report. To do this, change the Group By drop-down in the Rows and Columns section to Customer. Then check the Customer checkbox in the Filter section, and then select a specific customer. Uncheck the Vendor checkbox if you're using the previous report. Then click the Run Report button again to create the report. After creating the report, you can click the Email, Print, or Export button in the upper right corner of the report to email it, print it, or export it to Excel or to a PDF.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.